All right, we just need to make a little correction on the ending of what we just talked about in our logistic equation. Let me just check my pen here. I'm going to blame the construction up above me, but we have this solution, this second to last step in the solution process, where I just want to clean this up, and we accidentally wrote 1 over 14 here. When we divide by 14, it's throughout. We divide by 1 over 14 e to the 5t, so it becomes in the bottom 14 e to the negative 5t when I divide by 1 over 14. So then over here, this is 14. We're still looking for a target of 12,000, but we just used a 1 over 14 instead of a 14, which changed our answer to a weird number. It is still extremely small, but we swap it out. So this is a 14 over here. When we look for 80% of the capacity, we just plug in 12 for y, and we have our equation. Move the denominator to the top of the other side. 12,000 comes to the bottom. 15 divided by 12 is 1.25. And so we subtract 1 on both sides for 14 e to the negative 5t equal to 0.25. And so e to the 5t is then 0.25 divided by 14. So the log version of this is negative 5t equal to the natural log of that 0.25 over 14. And so we want to divide both sides by negative 5. And let's see what we get. Natural log 0.25, sorry. Natural log of 0.25 divided by 14. And we're dividing all of that by negative 5. MathBot, are you going to... I think I'll just redo it. I thought I could edit it another one. Natural log. Sometimes MathBot doesn't like me to go back and edit previously typed in stuff. Divide that by negative 5. MathBot says, there we go, 0.8051 days. So it does grow very quickly in that in less than a day, 0.8 of a day, the bacteria, the culture grows to 80% of its capacity. And you can also answer questions like, where is the growth rate maximum? So you can plug in 7,500 in this now correct function and go through the motions of solving for t with a different target instead of 12,000. And the time frame is just really short for this one. They grow actually really fast. So hopefully that gives you a good idea of the logistic equation that you can explore further if you are more interested. Until next time.